Can you say your name, where you're from, and what you do on the ship, please, maybe?
Okay. Hello, I'm Alan Rosenthal. I'm one of the lecturers and guides of the Ushuaia ships, and I'm from Villa Gesell, one small coast of local coast of Argentina, Buenos Aires.
Gracias. ¿En español, por favor?
Bueno, más fácil. Me llamo Alan Rosenthal, yo soy biólogo marino, soy guía y conferencista de acá del BBQ Ushuaia. Y bueno, estoy acá hace ya 2 temporadas y soy de Villa Gesell, una pequeña ciudad costera de Argentina.
Ah, gracias. Ciao. Oh, okay, I think they're still working. So I've decided to do a vlog because why not? So please can you say your name, deinen Namen und wie kommst du? Bitte?
Good morning, dear. I'm a little bit busy, but we can
Oh
do
no, we'll do it later. Oh, no? Barbecue. Let's see how the barbecue is progressing now. Let's see. Let's see how it's doing. You can't smell it, but it smells fucking good. It smells really fucking good. And it's hot. Muy caliente. The aroma es bueno. Aroma bueno. We're on a boat. Oh, look, it's dripping. You can see it drip, 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 drip. Oh, drip, drip, drip. Ah, selfie. See? Oh. Over there, I think, is the rumba, sir. Oh, we have another person. No. Hola. Hello. ¿Tu nombre? ¿Y dónde eres?
Beatriz.
¿Sí?
Soy Beatriz, soy de Madrid. Estoy casi encantada de estar en Ushuaia porque preferiría estar todavía navegando por el canal de Beagle, but life is life.
Ah, gracias. Sí. What else we have? I think that's the rumba, sir, boat over there. This little one. And oh no, that's the one. That one takes you out to the Beagle Channel, where you go around. Oh, they're all going. So they go in the morning to the Beagle Channel, and you go and look at like birds and things like this, birds and penguins. And yesterday we saw a king penguin. Anyway, there we are. Ooh, exciting time. Por favor, tu nombre y dónde eres y trabajo en el barco, por favor.
Muy bien, mi nombre es Leonardo Quinteros, soy chileno, vivo en la quinta región, Valparaíso, y mi posición aquí en el barco es el bartender.
¡Hey! So, mi amiga, ¿sí? Gracias. Chile. Oh, it just gets better and better. Carne. Oh yeah. You're gonna get. Oh, I thought you were gonna. I think he's gonna give me a piece. No vegetariano, carne. Oh, motherfucker. Oh my god, it's really fucking good. So, I did used to be a vegan before my hip operation, but then I needed to eat milk meat. This is easier to get the protein I need by having meat. Anyway, it's perfect here in Argentina because, honestly, fucking carne is so good. And also the pescado, fish, you see, the pescado, the carne es bueno, see? Oh, pues disculpe. So, Argentina. Oh. Oh. Looks like it's the safe. It's where all the money is. No? What's happening? A new person. 1 minute. Disculpe, un momento, por favor.
¿Qué?
Sí, tu nombre y ¿dónde eres? Y trabajo en el barco, por favor.
Yo soy Martín Campos
Sí.
y soy un oficial de gobierno del barco de Ushuaia.
Ushuaia. Oh.
¿Es una entrevista este? ¿Es una entrevista?
Sí.
¿La vas a editar? ¿Estás grabando el audio o estás grabando el video?
Sí. No entiendo. No hablo español.
You are taking a video?
Sí, porque we're not in Argentina. So I've decided to do a vlog because there's nothing else to do.
Do you have a log?
No, I'm going to start now because there's nothing else to do. So, why not? ¿Por qué no? Sí.
Está bien, no hay problema.
Do you know what's this is? What's is this?
I don't know.
You don't know? So what do you do on the ship?
Yes, but
You don't know?
a little box.
A box.
Yes, it's a safety box.
Okay. So what do you do on the ship?
Navigation.
Navigation. Wait, you're the captain?
The second captain.
Oh, wow, okay. So later, más tarde, me visitar sí, bridge.
Bridge,
Y
yes.
más, sí, mit...
Okay, no problem. And where do you live?
Me. Me llamo Georgina o Gigi, sí. Soy inglesa. Me vivo in London.
In London.
But I'm from Manchester.
Okay.
Manchester United.
Yes.
Never forget. Not city. Shitty city, no? Ciao!
Ciao.
Let's start it. They look busy. I don't know what's going on, but it looks very important. Ooh. Well. Hi, I don't know if it's okay, but I'm doing like a little vlog. Is it okay if I just ask you your names and where you're from for my little vlog? Yeah? Oh wait, sorry. Hi, what's your name? Where you from?
Diana, I'm from Missouri.
Missouri?
Greg, and I'm also from Missouri.
Hi, thanks. Just documenting the trip now. I'm only doing. I know, right? It's great. I
Well,
know.
then they would have done this while we were in Antarctica.
Probably. Yeah, probably.
I'll take these now.
No, I know. Yeah. Also, I mean, yeah, and also we get to see the nice coast. It's a nice day. Oh, and so many crew for me to interview. Are we only going to eat now? I want to try sausage. I'm trying. Everyone's so happy. Hola. ¿Tu nombre y dónde eres, por favor?
Federico, de
¿Sí?
acá Argentina, de Entre Ríos.
Ok. ¿Trabajo en barco?
Euler,
Sí.
Euler.
Hola, ¿por qué en inglés? ¿Inglés?
Y en inglés, no sé, pero o sea, acá sería auxiliar de máquinas,
No idea what that means.
¿no?
But thank you. Okay. I'm just gonna grab this huge bit because it's la la. Oh.
It's cold.
No, pero espera que poneme que corto.
Caliente. Ven. Oh la la.
Tiene que ver, eso me ha quemado todos los dedos. No, tranquilo, por favor. Yo no quiero. Wow, espera. No, que no lo va a poner así.
Coge.
Tranquilo, tranquilo. La vuelta está tirando así con el. Sígalo.
Safety first.
Ahora.
No, te lo ponemos a huevo, ¿eh?
Me está dando carne, me está dando de comer ángelesamiento, eso es insólito.
Bueno, así tu mujer te dirá que bien, que te cuidamos.
Bueno, muy amable.
Hola, por
Gracias,
favor.
Mafer.
¿Su nombre y dónde eres?
¿Otra vez?
Perdón.
Jorán.
Hola. Oh.
Sí, ¿te acuerdas?
¿Y dónde eres?
De
Chile.
Chile, sí. ¿Un trabajo? No. ¿Tu trabajo qué es? ¿En un barco?
Soy mesero, camarero.
¿En inglés?
Waiter.
That's where I've seen you before. I knew I'd seen you before. Okay, looks like he's on the telephone, so I'll come back later. Okay. Everyone's so happy today. Carne. Oh wait, I'm actually eating. Okay, I think we're all getting actual things, so I'm gonna actually eat my burger. Oh, right. Oh man, yeah, we're getting.
Are you my pan?
Pan is bread. Oh my god, look at that, look at it.
Yo le dije.
So good. I know, yeah, I want my bread. I think I want the. I don't know, man. I think I want the like steaky thing. I think for now it's so like. Look. Oh my god, there's ribs. There's ribs. There's ribs. Oh, I didn't know we were gonna get to eat this early. I'm so excited.
Pero que la bailara. Volar, volar,
Everyone's so happy. Vamos with me. It's still bubbling. I can see. Oh, let's see.
Oh, what's it?
Oh, that's such a good view. Me being creepy. I can't eat it right now, so